Which smoke and carbon monoxide detector is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, First Alert Combination Alarm. Let's kick things off with the First Alert Combination Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Alarm. Priced at about $49.81, this one grabbed my attention with its solid reputation and bestseller badge. If you want a reliable safety device, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this product is impressive. This is crucial for avoiding those annoying moments when the alarm goes off during dinner prep. It also has a battery backup, ensuring protection even during power outages. The interconnect feature means that if one alarm sounds, all compatible alarms will too, giving you that extra layer of security in your home. It's no surprise that over 6,000 of these have been sold in just the past month, and it sits at a solid 4.4 stars from around 1,300 reviews. Honest flaw: some users reported that the installation could be a bit tricky, especially with older houses. But here's the thing, once you get it set up, the peace of mind you gain far outweighs that initial hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive smoke and carbon monoxide solution in one unit. Skip this one if you're looking for a portable option or really need a battery-only model. Overall, it's great value for your money. Now, if the installation concern from the First Alert alarm bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Kid Carbon Monoxide Detector. Next up is the Kid Carbon Monoxide Detector, priced at a budget-friendly $23.97. With a stellar 4.8-star rating from 1,200 reviews, this device caught my eye for its portability and ease of use. If you're looking for a simple yet effective solution, this one's for you. This detector operates on AA batteries, which makes it incredibly easy to install without any wiring. That means you can place it almost anywhere in your home or even take it with you while traveling. It also features an 85 decibel alarm that goes off if carbon monoxide is detected, along with clear LED indicators to show its operational status. Plus, the event memory function logs the last time CO was detected, which is handy for tracking any issues. Given that over 10,000 have sold in the past month, it's clear that this device resonates with many buyers. However, some users did complain about the lack of a display for CO levels. While I get that might be a drawback for some, I think it's a fair trade-off given its low price and portability, especially for someone who wants a straightforward detector. This is perfect for you if you need a portable, easy-to-install carbon monoxide detector. Skip it if you need a full smoke detection system, since this focuses solely on CO. It offers great value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize smoke detection. Product number 3, First Alert Smoke Alarm. Now let's look at the First Alert Smoke Alarm, which is priced at just $16.99. This is a battery-operated smoke detector that really stands out with its user-friendly design and high ratings. If you want a reliable smoke alarm without breaking the bank, this is worth considering. It also features a front access battery compartment for easy replacements and a test silence button, so you can quickly ensure it's working properly. The end-of-life warning is another thoughtful feature, prompting you when it's time to get a new unit. With over 10,000 sold in the past month and a 4.6-star rating, it's clear this has made an impact. Now, some users mentioned that the alarm could be a bit quiet. Here's the thing though, while it might not be the loudest on the market, it's still effective enough for most homes, particularly in smaller spaces. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable and dependable smoke alarm. Skip this one if you want a smoke and CO combo, as this focuses solely on smoke detection. It's an excellent value for the money. Now, if you're after a more advanced option, let me introduce you to our next product. Product number 4, Xsense Carbon Monoxide Alarm. Up next is the Xsense 10-year battery combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarm, priced at $39.99. This caught my attention with its long-lasting battery life and LCD display. If you're serious about home safety and want something that lasts, you should check this out. This detector offers a 2-in-1 solution, combining smoke and CO detection in one unit. What's impressive is its 10-year lithium battery, which means you won't have to deal with battery replacements for a decade. It has a photoelectric smoke sensor and an electrochemical co-sensor, which work together to provide fast and accurate alerts. The LCD display is a nice touch, showing real-time CO levels from 30 to 999 ppm, which can be very reassuring when monitoring air quality. However, some users noted that it doesn't support wireless interconnection. While this might be a deal-breaker for tech enthusiasts, many will find it suitable for standalone use, especially in smaller homes. This is perfect for you if you want a long-term, low-maintenance safety device. Skip this if you need interconnected alarms for larger spaces. It's a valuable investment for peace of mind. Now, if you're looking for something that combines both smoke and CO detection with even more advanced features, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 5, Kid Combo Detector. Finally, we have the Kid Smoke Detector and Carbon Monoxide Detector combo priced at $49.40. This device stands out with its dual detection capability and 10-year battery. If you want comprehensive protection in one unit, this is a great choice. This combo detector alerts you to both smoke and carbon monoxide, making it a versatile safety tool. An 85 decibel alarm is triggered for immediate alerts, while a test hush button makes it easy to silence those annoying false alarms from cooking. The automatic activation feature means you won't have to fiddle with switches or pull tabs, just mount it and you're set. With a strong 4.5-star rating and a solid number of reviews, it's evident this product is trusted. However, some users have mentioned that the alarm can be overly sensitive at times, especially with cooking smoke. While that's a consideration, it's worth noting that more sensitivity can lead to faster alerts in real emergencies. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable smoke and CO detector combo. Skip it if you're looking for a very budget-friendly option, as this one is slightly pricier than some others. It's a worthwhile investment for comprehensive safety. To wrap things up, these detectors provide a range of options depending on your needs. Whether you want a simple CO detector, a reliable smoke alarm, or a comprehensive combo unit, there's something here for everyone. So there you have it, the top 5 smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. From the user-friendly Kid Carbon Monoxide Detector to the comprehensive Kid Combo Detector, each has its own strengths. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. Stay safe out there.